Hello everyone, we are group 4. I'm Rivaldo Fransisco, the team leader. Today, we'll present our PBL project, Metameal. Our project was guided by Dr. Meta Santiputri. Okay, let's get started. This project was created by 5 members, myself, Rivaldo, as the team leader, along with Suchi, Siti, Syahriandi, and Adrian. In the next few slides, I introduce what Metameal is all about. Okay, Metameal is a web app to manage workout and meal plans, perfect for trainers and trainees. It includes scheduling, reminders, and progress tracking, are accessible online. Next, functional requirements. The app lets user register, login, plan meals and workouts, and get reminders, key features for staying healthy and organized. Next, non-functional requirements. To work well, the app needs to be fast, easy to use, secure, and user-friendly. This make the experience smooth and reliable. Okay, this diagram shows what trainers and trainees can do, like editing schedules and profile. It helps us map out system interaction. Next, the year diagram shows how data like user, meals, and workout are connected, forming the base of our database. Here we detail how table relate using case. It ensures data flows correctly between different parts of the system.
Here, I will showcase our interface design and implementation. On the left side is our design and right side is our front end. On the landing page section, we will display about feature, about, login, and registration. Next, on the about section, we will display about what purpose our application. Next, on the feature section, we will display about what feature we have. Next, on the login section, we will display about email and password. Next, on the registration section, we will display about email, passport, name, age, gender, weight, and height. Next, on the home section, we will display about welcoming message. Next, on the meal program section, we will display a variety receipt. Next, on the training program, we will display a variety workout. Next, on the training report, we will display about trainee progress. Next, on the profile section, we will display about user profile. And next, on the notification section, we will display about message that user will receive.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Adrian Rizqullah and I want to show you what our progress from February 24 until April 29. First is analyze. We complete initial RPP draft 90% and finalize requirement and workflow 100%. Second, design. We build and refine Figma prototype for our user flows 80% and 100%. Third is implementation. We develop and polish front-end UI, add key features, and migrate to Laravel 70%, and 100%. Next is I want to show you our obstacle while we complete this project. First is Laravel learning curve. We initial confusion over framework structure or syntax, resolve via online tutorials, docs, and team collaboration. Second, UI UX design challenge. We essentially in crafting an intuitive, visually appealing interface. Third is front-end tweaks. We struggle selecting asset and fine-tuning code for a cleaner, responsive layout.
Okay, next, definition of group work. Number 1, Rivaldo Fransisco, writing the report, create a design for registration, login, home, about, and feature display, implementation of the registration, login, training report, and home UI into code. Next, Adrian Rizqullah, writing the report, create a design for the training meal reset display, implementation of the profile, notification, UI into code. Next, Syahriandi Sitanggang, writing the report, create a design for the trainees meal receipt display, implementation of the landing page, feature, and about UI into code. Next slide. Suci Angelina Putri, writing the report, create and use case and ARD, helping in designing with Figma, implementation of the meal recipe UI into code. Siti Fatima Az-Zahra, writing the report, create the use case and ARD, helping in designing with Figma, implementation of the exercise UI into code.
I would like to present the plan for our next development step. These steps are designed to ensure that the application is not only functional but also stable and ready for long-term use. Step 1. Backend. At this stage, we will focus on developing the backend system. This includes building the server logic and establishing a connection between the app and the database. The purpose is to ensure that the application operates smoothly and can super out its intended feature without issues. Well-structured backend is essential for handling user requests efficiently. Step 2. Database. The second step involves setting up and managing the database. This step is critical because the database is the backbone of the application data management. We will organize how the data is stored, retrieved, and updated to maintain data integrity and security. A reliable database system will help us ensure fast and secure access to user data. Step 3. Testing. Once the backend and database are ready, we will move on to testing the entire system. Our goal here is to identify and fix any issues before launch. This includes verifying that all features work correctly, ensuring data is processed accurately, and confirming that the user experience is smooth and error-free. Testing is a crucial path to guarantee the app's quality. And last step, maintenance. Finally, after successful testing, we will enter the maintenance phase. Here, we will regularly check the system for any problem, apply updates, and improve the app's performance over time. Maintenance is not a one-time act. It is continuous effort to ensure that application remains reliable and effective as user needs evolve.
Okay, that's all the explanation about Metameal from our group. If there are any mistakes, please forgive. Thank you.